Beloved, while I'm still in the flow of everything, I want to go ahead and release this second word. God is releasing brand new cars. Brand new cars. I was driving in the car the other day, and I randomly, out of nowhere, for like 10 minutes while driving, I could smell the smell of a brand new car. You know, the smell of a new car, how it smells brand new, just fresh out the factory, maybe only like 2 miles on it, 3, 4, 10 miles, if that. Leather seat kind of smell. Brand new car. And it wasn't my car, because you guys, my car is not new. You see I got tape up here. My car is not brand new, but I could smell, glory be to God, I could smell brand new car. Thank you, Holy Spirit. God is releasing brand new. You're not going to get the bare minimum in this season. Whoever this word is for, God has new things for you, okay? It's brand new. He's releasing brand new things to us in this season, beloved. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Thank you, Holy Spirit. I just wanted to release that word to you quickly. Pray into this word, sow into this word. Whatever God leads you to do, just do it. God is releasing brand new cars. God is releasing brand new cars. All right? I love you all so much, and you have a very blessed day.